know, we all love to grill, but we all hate to clean them too. And sometimes it's so gross, it's so grimy, there's so much food on it that you don't know how to get it clean anymore. And I want to show you a quick, easy way to do it. And this is what we're going to do. You're going to take your grill rack, whatever size it is, you're going to put it inside a garbage bag. If you have a bigger grill, I recommend a good heavy-duty black garbage bag for it. Get it in there, lay it down. Then you're going to take paper towels and you want to cover the grill rack with the paper towels. Now, it doesn't matter if it's big, small, whatever. You still want to cover it. And this works for charcoal grills, it works for gas grills, anything. Then we're going to put some undiluted ammonia in a spray bottle. Then we're going to spray it onto these paper towels. Now keep your face back because it is ammonia. And we're going to start and we're going to saturate those paper towels. And when I say saturate, I mean saturate. Spray it on really heavily. Because what is going to work is not so much the ammonia wetness, it's the fumes that you get from it. So we're going to soak it down really well. Then we're going to take our garbage bag and we're going to seal it around the grill rack. We'll take the grill rack, we'll lay it down on the ground, and we'll leave it for 24 hours. Now, don't lay it on your grass because plastic and grass are not friendly with each other. After 24 hours, you're going to reach your hand in, you're going to take your paper towels, you're going to just rub all of that crud off and it will come off like you won't believe. When you're done, lay it out on your driveway, someplace out of the way. Hose it down just with your hose and a nice heavy stream of water. Once you do that, put it back on the grill, turn the grill on for about 10 or 15 minutes, shut it off, the grill rack's clean and sanitized and you're good to go. Dispose of all of this in the trash and you're through. You got a great clean grill. So give it a try and see what you think. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.